Have you ever found yourself drowning in digital files, unsure where anything is stored? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the wild world of cloud storage to get you organized and on top of your digital game. First off, what's the deal with cloud storage? Imagine your files floating safely above your head, accessible anytime, anywhere. Pretty cool, right? But just tossing files into the cloud isn't enough. We need to optimize. Step 1. Folder structure. Think of it like organizing your closet. You wouldn't throw your socks in with your shirts, would you? Create folders and subfolders for documents, photos, and those memes you swear you'll need someday. Next up, naming conventions. Untitled.docs? Really? Give your files clear, descriptive names. Trust me, future you will thank you when you're not searching for that one file with the thing. Ever heard of deduplication? It's a fancy way of saying stop saving the same file in 10 different places. Use tools like Google Drive's Find Duplicates feature. Less clutter, more space for important stuff. Speaking of space, how much are you wasting on things you don't need? Clean up regularly. Cloud services often have tools to show you what's hogging your space. Marie Kondo your cloud. If it doesn't spark joy, delete it. And hey, ever panicked about losing everything? Automate your backups. Services like iCloud, OneDrive, and Dropbox can sync automatically, so you're always safe. No more OMG, where's my thesis? Moments. All right, a quick recap. Organize with folders, name smartly, deduplicate, clean up, and automate backups. Simple, right? Ready to become a cloud storage wizard? If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more tech wisdom. Until next time, keep your head and your files in the cloud.